Hey Greg, we've been talking about our spring weather, and look, warm and muggy with chances of rain. I will take that because it is not hot.
Right. Yeah, you know that's just a matter of time. You know that's coming.
Be here before we know it.
Yeah, that's on the way. But right now we're still talking about those storm chances across North Texas. It's very warm out there. It's humid as well. We've talked about those south winds gusting to 29 miles per hour, taking you out to DFW Airport. Right now, warm 74 degrees. So those temperatures have come up from what we were just a few days ago, along with that moisture moving in. So the cloudy skies going to thin out a little bit. The clouds will as we go through the day, getting back over to Love Field, 70 degrees. Still looking at the partly to mostly cloudy skies there late this morning. But those winds, let's talk about that first off. They're going to be up over 30 miles per hour with those gusts coming home a little bit later today around 5 p.m. That's going to be the case into this evening. So the winds are going to stay up even as we head into this evening, and that's really going to help keep those temperatures up as well. A little more sunshine farther west. We'll have those temperatures low mid 80s. I think we'll still get into the low 80s around the Metroplex, upper 70s with those low clouds hanging in maybe a little bit longer in our eastern counties here as we go through the afternoon. But yes, it will be breezy, warm, humid out there. You see on the satellite radar composite those low clouds, and can't rule out a stray shower or two as we go through the early afternoon hours before those clouds begin to thin out. Now a little farther west, that's where we're going to be watching for that possibility for some isolated thunderstorms to get going, firing off that dry line a little bit later today that's setting up out to our west. Coverage is going to be very limited, but the storms that are able to develop will have that potential for some large hail and some damaging winds. So let's take a look at that on our timecast. Won't be until very late in the day when we have that isolated activity. So maybe up around Bowie and Gainesville in those areas. Can't rule out some isolated storms back a little farther west toward Archer City, and those are going to work their way east as we head into the evening. So as we head toward 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, these won't be lasting all night. They will start to taper off as we head toward midnight, and then things should be pretty quiet during the overnight hours. And then we'll be talking about the front that works its way in for tomorrow, bringing a better chance for the showers and storms. So here's the severe weather outlook for today. It's going to be on the low marginal side there for the hail and wind. You can see the slight risk area getting up into our far northwestern areas out toward Wichita Falls on into portions of Oklahoma for today. Tomorrow, though, that changes. Look at this broad area of slight risk area, including all of the Metroplex. Most of North Texas going to be in that slight risk for some severe storms for tomorrow as that front slowly works its way across North Texas. So we are talking about large hail, damaging winds being the main concern. Tornado threat is low. It's not zero. It is low, but it's something we'll be watching as that front works its way in as well, and could be looking at some locally heavy rain even in a few places also. So here's what it looks like heading into Thursday afternoon around this time. Probably going to begin to see a few showers developing and some isolated thunderstorms as well. The best chance for the strong severe thunderstorms will arrive in the afternoon as that front works its way across the area. That continues into the evening. So again, one of those days you need to be weather aware going through the day on Thursday. This is around midnight. Still the ongoing showers and storms. Things will begin to settle down overnight, but I think for the morning commute on Friday, we'll still have some showers and storms hanging around for the first part of the day on Friday, and then things should start to clear out. And as far as the rainfall is concerned, a quarter to a half an inch around the Metroplex. We could see some areas a little farther east, 1 to 2 inches plus, perhaps in some areas, especially off into northeast Texas, Thursday through early on Friday. So here's that 10-day forecast for you. We'll be in the lower 80s today and tomorrow. Then the cooler air settles in as the rain ends. It is going to be a chilly start to the weekend. Those overnight lows dipping down into the upper 40s. Highs not getting out of the 60s on Saturday, near 70 on Sunday, with more chances for showers and storms into the early part of next week.